Good morning, student. I am Dr. Shaila Bhagwan Sarang, Associate Professor, Government College of Education, Nanded. Today, we are going to see the MCQ of Pedagogy of School Subject, English Method, Part 1st. Please like, subscribe, comments and share my video. Now, we can see first question. Teaching and learning is a journey from option A, concrete to abstract, B, simple to complex, C, known to unknown, D, all of the above. Now answer is all of the above. Second question, the main purpose of learning a language is A, appreciation, B, discussion, C, communication, D, comprehension. Now answer is communication. What helps a learner to learn a lot? A, Hindi language, B, mother tongue, C, English language, B, bilingualism. Now answer is mother tongue. Next question, language is a system of phonetics, grammar and option A, vocabulary, B, patterns, C, symbols, D, structures. Now answer is vocabulary. Now next question. Pedagogy is the study of option A, guiding students, B, hearing process, C, education process, D, teaching method. Now answer is teaching methods. Pedagogy is related to teaching method. Next question. RTE stand for A, Right of Education Act, B, Right to Employment Act, C, Right to Empowerment Act, D, Right to Free Education Act. Now answer is Right to Education Act. Next question. Learning a language means A, learning all skill of language, B, learning and using language skill in appropriate situation, C, learning to speak fluently in public, D, writing good books in that language. Now answer is learning and using language skill in appropriate situation. That is the meaning of learning a language. Now next question. What is not the important of planning? Now here in these questions asking not the importance of planning. Now options are A, planning can help to do justice to syllabus, B, planning can help to choose proper tools of teaching, C, planning can help to teach everything systematically, D, objective of teaching English is not achieved. Now answer is objective of teaching English is not achieved. Now next question. Principle of time allotment in year plan considers option A, teaching aids, B, the scope of the unit or subject, C, reference, D, none of the above. Now answer is the scope of the unit or subject. Next question. Which of the following is not the principle of framing the annual plan? Framing the annual plan principle is not the principle असं म्हटलेलं आहे. A, principle of homogeneity, B, principle of allotment, C, principle of marking, D, principle of evaluation. Principle of framing the annual plan are principle of homogeneity, principle of allotment, principle of evaluation. Principle of making is not the principle of framing the annual plan. Now next question. Annual planning should be option A, flexible, B, rigid, C, concrete, D, constant. Annual plan should be not rigid, not concrete, not constant. It is flexible. Now answer is flexible. Next question. Periods are allotted to the teaching of English per week in secondary school. In secondary school. Option A 3, option B 4, C 6, D 10. Now answer is 6. Next question. Direct method is known as option A indirect method, B natural method, C deductive method, D analysis method. Direct method is also known as natural method. Now next question. The objective of direct method is A. To increase power of comprehension, B. To develop a command over the English language, C. To develop personality, D. To increase communicative power. Now answer is to develop a command over the English language. Now it is direct method. Now next question. Grammar translation method is basically used to teach option A classical language, B foreign language, C speech language, D silent language. Grammar translation method is basically used to teach classical language. Now answer is classical language. Next question. Grammar translation method does not. Now question is grammar translation method does not. Options A encourage learning through mother tongue, B enhance a student's communication skill, C enhancing student vocabulary, D it is economical as it saves time. Now answer is enhance the student's communication skill. Now next question. Dash dash is developed as a reaction of grammar translation method. A bilingual method, B play and learn method, C the sentence method, D direct method. Now answer is direct method. Direct method is developed as a reaction of grammar translation method. Now next question. Which of the following is not function of English Teacher Association? Is not function. Now carefully listen. Is not function of English Teacher Association. Options are A. Dealing with problem, B. Organizing seminars and workshops, C. Playing, D. Curriculum development. Now dealing with problem is a function, organizing seminar and workshop is also a function, curriculum development it is also a function of English Teacher Association. Now playing is not the function of English Teacher Association. Now answer is playing. Thank you my dear teachers. Thank you my dear teachers and students. Now please like, share, comments my YouTube channel. Okay.